Today I'm sharing a truly special recipe, soft, fluffy vanilla bread made with just 2 ingredients. No yeast, no kneading, no fuss, just mix and bake. This healthy bread is perfect for breakfast, snacks, or whenever you crave something homemade. We use low-fat vanilla yogurt for a moist, light loaf with a gentle vanilla flavor. This quick and easy recipe can be found at the bottom of the description. Before we dive in, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more insights. Whether you're a beginner or a busy parent, this recipe is for you. You don't need fancy equipment, just a bowl and a spoon. Enjoy it plain, toasted with butter, or topped with your favorites. The possibilities are endless, and the process is stress-free. I love recipes that make baking accessible to everyone. This is one you'll come back to again and again. Ready to turn 2 simple ingredients into a loaf of comfort? Let's get into the kitchen and create something bold and delicious together. Baking should be joyful and easy. Let's make this your new go-to recipe. It's going to be so much fun. Let's break down the magic behind this bread. First, self-rising flour. Second, low-fat vanilla yogurt. This brings moisture, flavor, and a touch of acidity for a perfect crumb. No need for extra vanilla or fat. The yogurt does it all. This combo is simple food science. Flour for structure, yogurt for flavor, and lift. That is all. You don't need a mixer or special tools, just a bowl and spoon. It's a beginner-friendly recipe that delivers bakery-quality results. Minimal ingredients, maximum flavor. This is smart, time-saving baking. Anyone can do it, and the results are always impressive. Let's get started and see how easy it is. You'll be amazed at what 2 ingredients can do. Time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-5-inch loaf pan and line it with parchment paper for easy removal. In a large bowl, combine self-rising flour and low-fat vanilla yogurt. Mix with a spatula or spoon until just combined. Don't over-mix. The dough will be thick and a bit sticky. That's perfect. Scrape the dough into your prepared pan and smooth the top. Wet your fingers if needed to help shape the loaf. Pop it in the oven and let the magic happen. You'll have a beautiful loaf with minimal effort. Perfect for busy days or when you want fresh bread fast. The hardest part is waiting for it to bake. Enjoy the aroma as it fills your kitchen. This is baking made easy for everyone. Let's get this loaf in the oven. You're just minutes away from homemade bread. Bake your loaf for 40-50 minutes until golden and a skewer comes out clean. If the top browns too quickly, cover loosely with foil. Once baked, use oven mitts to remove the pan and let it cool for 10 minutes. Lift the bread out with the parchment and place on a heat-resistant surface. Let it cool completely before slicing. This keeps the texture soft and perfect. The aroma will tempt you, but the wait is worth it. Cooling sets the crumb and brings out the best flavor. The wait is over. Your vanilla bread is ready. Slice and enjoy it as is, or toast and top with butter, jam, or fresh fruit. Try a drizzle of honey or a swipe of cream cheese for a treat. This bread is great for breakfast, snacks, or even dessert. The recipe is endlessly versatile. Make it your own. Baking doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. I hope you're proud of your homemade bread. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Ring the notification bell so that you will always get more helpful tips from health and lifestyle. Please feel free to leave a comment below. Keep baking boldly and enjoy every slice. Thank you for watching and happy baking.